Number 1, the inactive life. Spending hours sitting at your desk, watching TV or scrolling is not just making you unfit, it's a silent destroyer of your mind. It reduces blood flow to your brain, disrupts sleep patterns, and weakens your ability to handle stress. This significantly increases anxiety and depression. This isn't just about laziness, it's about losing the mental clarity and emotional strength you need to win. The fix? Stand up and move for 5 minutes for every hour you sit. It's a small price to pay to keep your mind sharp. Number 2, people-pleasing. Always putting others' needs and opinions before your own because you're afraid of conflict or what they might think. This isn't kindness. It's a destructive habit that leads to burnout, anxiety, and a slow loss of your own identity. You start to forget who you are and what you truly want. This makes it impossible to build real relationships or chase your own meaningful goals. The fix? Start small. The next time someone asks you for something, just pause. Ask yourself, do I really want to do this? Get comfortable with politely saying no. Number 3, perfectionism. Setting impossibly high standards where anything that isn't perfect is seen as a complete failure. This isn't a strength, it's a clever way to sabotage yourself. Perfectionism is strongly linked to depression, anxiety, and burnout. It traps you in overthinking, which leads to delaying important tasks and getting stuck, unable to make decisions. The surprising truth is, perfectionists often achieve less than others because they waste time on tiny details and are too afraid to take risks. The fix? Aim for good enough instead of perfect. Taking action and finishing a task at 80% is much better than never finishing it because you are chasing 100%. Number 4, social media comparison. Mindlessly scrolling and comparing your real life to the perfect-looking highlight reels of others. This habit is a trap designed to make you feel unhappy with your own life. Constantly seeing perfect-looking versions of others' lives seriously harms your mental health and self-esteem. It messes with your brain's reward system, shortening your attention span and making your real life feel less exciting. The fix? Set a strict daily time limit for social media. Unfollow any account that makes you feel bad about yourself. And always remember, you are comparing your entire life to someone else's best 1%. Number 5, negative self-talk. Constantly criticizing yourself, replaying past mistakes, and worrying about the future without trying to find a solution. This is your inner enemy at work. Negative self-talk increases your stress, hurts your performance, and makes you fail just because you expect to fail. When you always tell yourself you're not good enough, your brain starts to believe it, destroying your motivation and making you feel powerless. The fix? When you catch a negative thought, stop and ask, is this really true? Then change it into a helpful one. Instead of, I can't do this, think, I can learn how to do this. The real battle isn't with the world, it's with your unconscious habits. Watching this video was your first step toward awareness. If you want to go deeper, your next step is reading The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. It's the ultimate guide to living in the present and breaking free from the destructive patterns we've talked about. The link is in the description. Your transformation starts now.